Malawak ang proyektong animal shelter ng isang dog lover sa Bacolod City. Ngayon, hinihikayat nila ang publiko na tumulong para bigyan ng mukhang balita. Mobile Journal, Denise Valdez Sancho.
Man's best friend kung ituring ang mga aso at ibang mga pets. Pero bakit may mga ilan na biktima ng karahasan at gutom?
Pamilya kung ituring ni Malu Perez ang mga aso. Ang story niya bilang dog lover, nahugot sa isang balita.
Everything happened so spontaneously because I saw a post on Facebook about 50 dogs on death row to be killed by gunshot.
Sa murang edad, hindi pagiging teacher o doktor o astronaut ang pinangarap niya, kundi ang makapagpatayo ng animal shelter. Kaya naman nang makatanggap ng offer na i-rescue ang mga hayop na nasa pound nila sa Bacolod City, despite having no concrete plans, she immediately said yes.
It was the first time I set foot in a pound. I was just looking at the eyes of so many helpless dogs.
2018 nang buuin niya ang Passion Project, isang animal shelter sa Bacolod City. Ang dating buhay niyang umiikot sa corporate world, napunta sa pagbibigay ng second chance para sa rescued animals. Yun nga lang, aminado siyang nakaramdam pa rin ng pagod.
I clearly remember it was not even 2 months since I started the org, and then I went to church, and then I prayed, and then I asked for a sign because I was just so exhausted. And no kidding, less than a minute after I prayed for it and asked for a sign, someone entered the church carrying a puppy.
Still, inilaban ni Malu ang Passion Project. Kaya naman, mula sa 50 rescued animals, nasa 800 na ang kinupkop ng shelter. May permanente na ring tirahan ang kanilang rescued animals sa Bacolod. Nag-expand pa ito nang makahanap ng sanctuary sa Bulacan. Ito'y kahit about 20 active volunteers and 20 caretakers lang ang kanyang kaagapay.
And again and again, the animals are here to prove us that, they can be such beautiful sources of inspiration, that they can connect each and every one of us.
A second chance in life. Lahat deserve niyan. Hindi lang ng mga tao, kundi na rin pati ang mga alagang hayop. Mobile journalist Denise Valdez Sancho po. Hatid ang mukha ng balita.